Hi, this is Dr. Minakshi Agarwal. Today we will talk about PRP, platelet rich plasma therapy. PRP is getting very popular in the field of skin rejuvenation nowadays. PRP therapy has become a boon to patients who are facing hair loss problems as well as patients who want to reverse the signs of aging and want to regain their young, smooth, and firmer skin. PRP therapy provides naturally radiant skin and facelift at an affordable cost as compared to surgeries and other cosmetic procedures. Let's clear out some basic doubts rankling in your mind about PRP therapy. What is PRP therapy? PRP is platelet rich plasma. Besides clotting of blood, platelets have been found to contain growth factors which can accelerate the healing process of skin, hair, tendon, joints, etc. I am just 30. Why should I go for PRP? This is the basic question that comes in our mind when we first come to know about it. Nowadays, owing to pollution and unfavorable environmental conditions, our skin's ability to produce collagen and hydrate itself is deteriorated. Sun exposure and poor lifestyle add to skin woes. PRP just exacerbates natural healing of the skin. Will it be safe on my skin? PRP is a completely safe procedure as it incorporates your own blood platelets to heal the skin. There is no chemical exposure in this procedure. What areas can PRP heal? PRP can heal all the basic aging signs: glabellar region, forehead line, eye circles, nasolabial fold, marionette line, jawline neck wrinkles, lateral chin and mental crease, lip rejuvenation, corners of the mouth, malar and submalar region, crow's feet. Is this procedure painful? PRP is a completely painless procedure at our clinic. We anesthetize the area well prior to the treatment to ensure your painless experience of PRP therapy. Will I see the result immediately? As I have already explained, PRP allows the skin to heal naturally. Nature takes its own time, that is around 2 to 3 weeks, to get smoother, fresh looking, glowing skin. What are the benefits of PRP? Hair growth stimulation, scar reduction, skin tone improvement, reduction of fine lines and blemishes, under eyes skin crackling, cheek improvement, chest and decolletage, acne and skin damage reduction, jaw and chin line improvement, neck skin tone improvement. Who should not go for PRP? People with active skin disease, bleeding disorders, patients on anticoagulant, chronic liver pathology, cancer patients on chemotherapy treatments, patients taking steroids. They should not go for PRP. What are the immediate effects of PRP? Slight redness, bruising or swelling over the operated area, which will be resolved in 24 to 48 hours. When can I resume my daily routine? A day after the PRP. Yes, you can resume your daily routine next day, but avoid strenuous exercise for 2 more days. Till what time the result lasts? The result lasts up to 10 to 12 months. But for effective results, 2 to 3 treatments are recommended 6 to 8 weeks apart. What is the time duration for PRP of hair? PRP therapy requires 3 treatments 4 to 6 weeks apart. Maintenance treatment is required every 4 to 6 months. What type of hair loss PRP treats? PRP can treat both male and female pattern hair loss. Why I am not getting results even after 3 months of PRP on hair? Results can be noticed between 6 to 12 months after your first treatment. Some patients may experience the result right after the PRP treatment first session. Treatment plan will be customized according to your needs and condition of hair. Can PRP be an alternative to hair transplant? PRP is non-surgical approach for hair growth as compared to hair transplant, which is surgical as well as a lot more expensive than PRP. At A-Derma Health Lasers and Cosmetology, we customize the treatment best suited to your needs under your budget. Why I have to undergo so many sessions of PRP? It is because of hair growth cycle. Hair has a dormant period, a fast growth period, and shedding period, which repeat themselves. A number of sessions are required in order to activate the hair follicles coming out of dormant period and ready to bloom. What precautions are needed after PRP therapy? Stay away from sulfate-containing hair products and avoid any chemical hair treatment during PRP treatment process. Thank you.